Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the default browser to open links within the Mastodon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile or account button with your avatar in the right side corner of the screen down below. Then go to the top of the page and tap on this settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down and here you can find the use default browser to open links feature that you can enable by tapping on this button next to it on the right side of the screen. When you are done with this step, all you have to do is clicking on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen. And basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.